Alexis. I'm a full-time reseller on ThredUP, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace. I just downloaded Depop, but they needed a new graphic designer, and Poshmark, and I just uploaded my newest video on Poshmark. I'm trying to go out and run some errands, but a box that I've been waiting for a long time just got in, and it's the 5-piece handbag. I already opened it, sorry, but I'll let you know like what my initial thoughts are and what I'm going to do with these bags. I actually had 6 boxes missing from the Georgia warehouse, and I know my FedEx driver. The boxes have been being marked delivered and haven't been delivered, so I don't know if something happened to them or if they just actually weren't delivered. But I actually have a good review of ThredUP, which is like once in a blue moon, but they actually gave me a return for the boxes because it was past the claim time. I couldn't make a claim. Anyway, that's not what we're here for. We're here for the bag, so let me jump into it. Right off the bat, I was like, what box is this? I knew it was a 5-piece handbag box because I wasn't expecting any other rescue boxes unless they're my lost ones. But this says Kate Spade, and it has a pair of Kate Spade sunglasses, and this green tag is for authentication. And these they do have a little bit, they have like 3 small scratches, and they're green inside, which is pretty cool. And the case is really nice, and it has the cleaning cloth. I've never gotten anything other than like a bag in this box, but it is supposed to be is it 4-piece handbag? Yeah. Okay, so it's $100 and it's like 4 pieces, but they do say like 1 will be an accessory, and usually it's something that is like maybe like a wallet or a wristlet or something, but I prefer to have these sunglasses. These are pretty cool. Next is a new to me brand. I've never had this brand. It is Furla, and it's a snakeskin shoulder bag like this. It's like a little tag. It appears to be clean inside, and it has a nice zipper pocket in the middle, like a huge storage pocket. Yeah, I've never tried to sell this before, but I think I'm gonna take this to a buy sell trade store and see what I can get. Next, I heard the chain in the box, and I was like, not another Rebecca Minkoff. Like, I was happy with like the first 2, but honestly, they don't sell that quickly for me. In my experience, I've sold a couple, but I went from like 0 to like 20 Rebecca Minkoffs. They just are following me. And this one is pretty cool. It's purple. I have this bag in black as well. Has the crossbody, but what's gross is like these kind of straps always have like hairs stuck in them, which is ew. And then for some reason, I feel like the inside of these bags always gets dirty, but this one looks decent. Oh wait, no, it is 5-piece. I was right. Okay, that makes me feel good. Okay, so this is a Kate Spade. I've never seen a Kate Spade like this. It's a little bit stained on the outside. And it's kind of like a school bag. You could definitely fit a laptop in here. It's very clean inside. It's like nylon material. It smells really nice. It does have leather detail and another nice big pocket in the middle. It's pretty cool. I guess it's like a type of messenger bag or vacation bag. Okay, that's kind of hard to zip. All right. Jeez. Okay. I don't think the zipper is broken. It's just like difficult. All right, but I think this is actually like a cooler. You could use it for anything, but it has like little pockets for bottles and things. You could even use this as like a diaper bag. Maybe that's what this is, a Kate Spade diaper bag. Who knows? This is a Michael Kors. This leather smells so good and is so soft. This is a beautiful bag. It has minor staining and minor scratching on the hardware, but all in all, I'd say this is good. I don't see any like peeling of the leather. Condition your leather, people. Don't put your purse on the ground. I can't tell if this is peeling or if it's like paint. Okay, clean for the most part inside. Oh, except for like this stain. There's like a gross stain in the back corner. Maybe I can like get that out. Ew, that is gross. I'm not gonna show that on camera because it's so gross. Maybe you guys can tell me your purse cleaning tips. Sometimes I avoid getting the purse box. What is this, lint? Sometimes I avoid getting the purse box because I just dread cleaning the purses, and same goes with the shoes. I just am too lazy for that. I like to move things quickly, and cleaning is not on the agenda. But if you have any good cleaning tips for me, I would gladly take those. I think I'm gonna try to send more designer purses to this one local consignment shop. They consistently give me great store credit for things that I get in my designer boxes and fun boxes, and I buy like newer things from the store. I can buy a lot of things that I think are cute for my Poshmark closet. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. It's free to do that. I'm so grateful for 200 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna make a video soon about how I became Poshmark ambassador within 1 month and going over like beginners tips on Poshmark for this new year. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.